Hi beauties, what's up? Welcome to my channel. Today I think you're going to be very interested in the new product I've been trying. If you've been following me on Instagram, you've seen a little bit about it. About a month or so ago, I was approached by Teami. You may know them by Teami Blends. I remember this brand because we had a sneak peek that was thought to be their green tea facial scrub. So I had already researched them somewhat because of the green tea facial scrub. So I received an email and they wanted me to review one of their products. What I liked about this company right off the bat, she said I could pick any product from their line and I could give my own honest review after I reviewed the product. So first of all, I thought, gosh, you know, she's telling me I can do an honest review. Who says that? You know, only a person that has pride and who knows their products are good. So I looked over their product line. I was very interested in their 30-day detox program. I want to say this is not a sponsored video. I am not getting paid to do this video. All I received was the products free to try out and review them. The tea would help you have more energy. It would clean out your body from any toxins that were just sitting in your body, help your digestive tract flow better. Also, it would help increase your metabolism. So I thought that would be a great thing for me to do in conjunction with my planned diet program I had. So if you're interested in finding out what this 30-day detox program is all about and how it worked for me, stay tuned. Toxins build up in your body, and where do these toxins come from? They come from all the fast food we eat, the high levels of fat in the food, the preservatives. So as we build toxins in our body, we become sluggish, we get tired, we get exhausted easier, and we also feel bloated. So what this 30-day detox does, it helps to get rid of all these toxins. Personally, myself, I have arthritis, I have ankylosing spondylitis, that's a long one, but it also brings me down and makes me feel tired more easily. So I tend to want to drink a lot of coffee and caffeine. Oftentimes I don't feel like getting up and exercising or doing much of anything. So it's kind of hard to lose weight. So when I seen what this 30-day detox was claiming, I was really interested in trying it. Also because I read a lot of reviews and it was all good things they were saying about it. With my slow metabolism, I also don't go to the bathroom normally, if you know what I mean. I may go every 3 to 4 days sometimes, which is horrible. You should have daily bowel movements, and I have no idea what that's like. Without the daily bowel movements, how can you even lose weight? All these toxins and everything just sits in your body. And I know one good reason is I'm not drinking enough fluid. This 30-day detox did a lot of things for me. If you're looking for a 30-day quick way to lose a lot of weight, this is not it. This is something totally different. I don't think there's any way to lose a lot of weight quickly and healthy. It's a slow process to lose weight. What this 30-day detox consists of is 2 different types of tea. This is what I received in the mail, and in this box I had the Teami Skinny Tea and the Teami Colon Tea. And it all also included is a detox calendar, and this also gives you a lot of details on how to drink the tea. Before I started drinking the tea, I researched every ingredient in both teas. I'm not going to go through the list and explain what each type of ingredient does. In the skinny tea, a lot of the ingredients helped with stress, anxiety. It helped clean out your blood. One of the ingredients, yerba mate, is a coffee substitute, and it has a natural kind of caffeine in it that helps you have energy. In the colon tea, the one you take at night, one of the ingredients helps with sleep disorders. So all these ingredients working together in a tea really helps your system. So what you do, every morning you're going to drink your Teami skinny tea. And all you have to do, it's very easy with this convenient tea container. It is a dual chamber container. This is the lid. It has a little strainer inside that you just pop inside here. It comes in several colors. Any color you could want, it comes in. And this is the inside container, and this is the outer container. Mine's very used, as you can see already. Now at the bottom of the larger container, you have an extra little compact space to put your loose tea or your tea bag in. And you can just screw that in, like if you want to wait and drink your first tea when you get to work, you just save it in this little container, screw it in right here, and you can put your water, your hot water inside here, and when you get to work, just pour it in and put your strainer in, and you're good to go. I'm going to show you how I do my tea every morning. All you need is 1 teaspoon. I've been doing this for 3 weeks. I had the flu in the middle of it, so I didn't do 1 week. But you can't even tell I used that much of this, and I use it every day. So it seems like there's a lot more than 30 days in here. Every morning, what I do is I take my teaspoon here, and I get 1 teaspoon of my skinny Teami tea. And I'm not very exact. And I just put it into the container like this. I pop my cup of water in the microwave. I only do 1.5 minutes. Before I was doing 2 minutes, and it was just a little bit too hot. If you have a high wattage microwave, 2 minutes may be too much. And then what you do, you just pop in your strainer right in the top here. You let this seep for 3 to 5 minutes. Now, I just leave my tea in there, and it goes in like this. You put the top on like this. Now, sometimes when it's really hot, I will leave this outer part out for a while and just let it cool like this. But I sip on this, and it takes me no time to drink it. I usually squeeze a little wedge of lemon in it. Sometimes I don't put any lemon. But it's just a really mild tea. If you're not a normal tea drinker, you will think it's like just a little mild flavored water. My husband is not, he likes sweet tea, but he didn't know if he would really care for it, and he tried it, and he is the pickiest person on the planet. So if he liked it, anybody will like it. It's not a very strong flavor. And the good thing about this is, after you drink it, if you want more water throughout the day, you can reuse the tea leaves. You just leave them in the cup and add more hot water as many times as you want throughout the day. This encourages me to drink more water. So I'm always sipping on this tea during the day. This little container is so convenient for bringing this to the gym. If you're going to walk or exercising, it's just really convenient. I really like this one. Now, it comes in 2 sizes. This is the smaller of the two, which I think is perfect. This container is the 13.5 ounce container, and the other size is a 20 ounce container, which is a little larger than this, maybe for a man, but I think this size is perfect. And they also have some special cups that are bronze and silver that I noticed on the website. But you drink this every morning, and every other night you're going to do the colon tea. And the Teami colon is in a tea bag. This is my Teami colon. You can see I still have so many left. It's just a regular little tea bag. And what you do every other night before bed, you pop one of these into the same amount of water, like 8 ounces of water. You don't have to be real exact. I just fill up my 8 ounce cup. And then you let this seep 1 to 3 minutes. I think depending on your normal bowel movement, for instance, if you're a regular person and you go every day, I think 1 minute to start is enough. And just take the tea bag out and judge it from there. A person like me who doesn't go but every 3-4 days, I left mine the entire 3 minutes. I drink mine right away, and I don't take the tea bag out. But when you first start, I did take the tea bag out because I wanted to make sure to follow the directions, because you don't want to over seep it because you don't want to have any kind of trouble. I have tried some teas before. They were called dieter teas, and I had really bad stomach cramps. I had to quit taking it. It didn't do it at first, and then I got really sick from it. This is nothing like that. I'm not going to say the brand of those teas, but if you email me and really want to know, I can tell you. This tea is very mild. I had no stomach cramps, nothing. When it was time to go, I went. You know, that's the only thing. So if you want to flavor your tea, you can also add honey to them, to both the teas. You can add a little honey to it to sweeten it up a little bit. I tried it once. It was okay, but I like it just as well without the honey. But if that's your preference, you can put a little honey in it. Like I said, you can also put lemon. Now let me tell you what I think about this tea. I was very surprised that it gave me the energy that it did. I usually drink 2 cups of coffee before I get moving every morning. And it was just so subtle how it happened. I didn't think it would really give me energy. I don't know why. Maybe because it is a natural tea, and one of the ingredients in it does act like coffee. It is like a natural caffeine, but it has nutrients in it. But it's just real subtle. It doesn't make me jittery like coffee does. It just gets me going. Now, I'm not saying I get up and start mopping the house and going crazy. It just gives me that energy I need to get up and start the day, to get going, without drinking 2 cups of coffee and being jittery. It also has helped me not to feel so bloated. And I think the 4 pounds I have lost, maybe more or less, I think I've lost a lot of fluid. So I do feel slimmer, but the scale is saying 4 pounds, which is fine with me. I think what I'm going to do, I'm not one to start doing any name brand diets like keto. If I were to do a diet like that, I would have to read the book, and I don't want to read the book. So I'm just going to start, in addition to this, eating healthy, eating natural foods, eating what I cook for my family. I don't want to have to make 2 meals. And I'm going to watch my calories. I'm going to stay between 1,200 and 1,500 calories. That's the hard part for me, is just being motivated enough to stay and stick to a plan. But that's my intentions. And along with this tea, I think I can do it. So, and I just want to say I'm regular. I've been going to the restroom at least every day or every other day. It's not quite every day yet, but I think I'm going to get there. And it doesn't give me any kind of, like I said, any kind of terrible cramps or anything like that. It's just like a normal, oh, I need to go to the restroom, and I go to the restroom. If you're interested in doing this 30-day detox, I guarantee you won't be disappointed. I used to sleep late. I'd have trouble getting up in the morning. My son's always like, Mom, you're up. Why are you up so early? You know, it's like, it really has done wonders for me. I want to say I left the code in the description area. You can get 15% off. All you have to put discount code is Kendy15, and you'll get 15% off of anything on the website. Sometimes she does offer other discounts. So if when you go into the website, just put your email address and she will send, like any other company, send you anytime they have a discount or have a special going on. Instead of buying the tea tumbler, if you don't want to invest in one of these, which I think is a good buy, you can buy the tea infuser in its place. And all you do, I'll put it up here, put your loose tea leaves in this and then just dip it into the water, which is really great, and it's not as expensive. But like I said, this tea tumbler is awesome. You can use this for a lot of things, you know. And over here, we're always looking for a new water bottle or something at my house, so this will always go to good use. So I hope you enjoyed my video. I will leave all the links below, and I will be doing updates probably in about a month. I'll do another update. We can see how I'm going with the detox, and also if I've lost any weight on my little weight loss. So thank you so much for watching. Make sure to share and subscribe. And if you liked my video, please give me a thumbs up. And until I see you guys again, bye.